for the future to reclaim the digital world. With faith in ourselves and trust in each other, we'll live by the lessons we've learned. As we work towards one solution, through spirit evolution. I am the one, I am the one. Digimon, forever united as one. Digimon, together the battles are won. Digimon, through us let your spirit evolve. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. Digimon.
Tonight we're going to draw KUMAMON from Digimon Frontier. Warrior of Ice and a pure-hearted soul.
Look to the past as we head for the future to reclaim the digital world. With faith in ourselves and trust in each other, we'll live by the lessons we've learned. As we work towards one solution, through a spirit evolution. I am the one, I am the one. Digimon, forever united as one. Digimon, together the battles are won. Digimon, through us let your spirit evolve. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. If we're all for one world, there's a world for us all. Digimon.
More dice.
Alexa, shuffle songs by Silver Storm.
Shuffling songs by Silver Storm on Amazon Music.
Here are his shoes.
A kid from Palatown with a brand new world to see. Don't know what's ahead, but it won't get the best of me. There's so much to learn and battles to be won. I've advanced so far and still there's always more to come. Take a step and I'm on my way. Gonna start all over again. I wanna be a hero. I wanna be a hero. Give me just one chance, and the future will decide if there's a hero buried deep inside. I wanna be a hero.
Here are his shoes.
Adventure in the air, so come and follow me. Can you feel it now, this unfamiliarity? Always pushing on with only friends around. I've advanced so far and I'm not ever slowing down. Take a step and I'm on my way, with a brand new journey ahead. I wanna be a hero. I wanna be a hero. Give me just one chance.
And there.
Future will decide.
Oh yeah, I have to draw the rest of his military suit.
I wanna be a hero.
And finished. That's how you draw Kumamon. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.